HSGQ XE082 is EUCassette EPON OLT series. The system has good stability and high reliability. It supports CLI, web, SNMP, and other management methods. The product provides 8 downlink EPON interfaces for 1000 base T uplink Ethernet interfaces and for *10 GSFP plus uplink interfaces. Through the cloud management function, users can quickly deploy, configure, remotely manage, and operate the equipment in the whole network, which greatly reduces the labor cost and time cost in the process of network construction. It is suitable for sparsely populated, remote and cost-sensitive areas, smart industrial parks, commercial buildings, FTTM, etc. Each EPON port supports up to 1:60 for split ratio, up to 512 EPON users, and different types of ONS under different networks. When you hide for easy installation and maintenance. It is an excellent choice for operators to rapidly deploy FTTH networks.